This is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So in the beginning, make sure that your system is not in the Do Not Disturb or airplane modes. And the way you check that is by opening and fully unfolding the control panel, and here look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon and switch it off if it is enabled, and do the same for the airplane mode as well. Make sure that both of those features are switched off, since both of them prevent you from being able to receive incoming phone calls, since they are created for exactly that purpose, to block those things from reaching you. Then, what you can also try is to launch your device's settings, then here enter the network and internet category. Next, go for the SIM and mobile network section, select the SIM card you are experiencing those issues with, and try switching off the VoLTE option. And if that will not help either, at this point I recommend that you try taking out the SIM card and, well, just wiping it and cleaning it with a cloth like this one per se, or for instance, even better if whatever cloth you use would be dipped in some electronics friendly cleaning solution, or a regular ethanol will do the trick. And the final troubleshooting step you can take is to directly contact your mobile carrier or, well, cellular network provider to see if the issue is laying on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.